oil like that. Okay. I'm gonna rinse this off real quick. Hold on, guys. This is the bun. Tell her I'm on my way. And so the bun is not cooked yet, so you gotta be careful when you cook it. You really could cook this raw. I used to work at Subway. Fun fact, I used to work at Subway a long time ago. I got like a quarter and a half for my client here to do. She said it was okay if I got up and did this. So I'm gonna get this like this. I don't know what this is for. But one thing you don't want is a lot of mayo. Let's do it one more time. Get on there real good. Hey girl.
Hey.
So hand me a spoon out of there. Like one of them. Maybe like a spatula. So
I know y'all see it.
this is gonna be good.
It don't look like this one ain't right, y'all.
So this is the first sandwich.